Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mashakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. Happy Holi you guys, because as per Google, Holi is on March 21st and I hope so it's on March 21st. Holi is a festival of colors that is celebrated all over India, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this easy and colorful nail art for Holi using acrylic colors. So let's get started. For the base color, I've used this black color by Salley Hansen. You can go for a white base color too. And I'll be using acrylic colors by Fevicryl. You name the color and I have it here. Red, pink, blue, green, yellow, orange. So whatever I've used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. And I'll be using sponge pieces. So this is the beauty sponge, so I have torn them into small tiny pieces, and you'll need a tweezer to hold them. So here's the tweezer. Now take the sponge, dip it into that acrylic paint, dab the excess and dab it onto your nail like so, because I don't want too much acrylic paint onto my nail, so I'll just dab the excess off and dab it on my nail. So you're just using the same technique as to create ombre nails. So here I'm going dab 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 and dab dab dab. So a white base will help the colors to pop up. So now I'll be using the next color. So I'm going to use the same sponge basically. So dip it into that color, remove that excess off like so, and dab onto your nail. So I'm going to place them as per my liking, because Holi is a festival of many colors. So I'm going to use a mix of all these colors on my nail, because I can't play Holi physically here, but I can play Holi on my nail. So just get going. So do let me know in the comment section below, how do you enjoy your Holi? Do you play it with your friends or with the family, or do you have bhang on the Holi day? Just let me know in the comment section below. And guys, please, if you're watching this video, don't forget to comment guys, and let me know what you think about my videos. Like, I just need a feedback. Are they good enough? Or at least subscribe to my channel guys. They are very easy, beginner friendly nail art videos and DIY videos guys. Don't forget to shower your love this Holi on my YouTube channel by subscribing. It will really mean a lot. Once you're done, allow your nail art to completely dry and then apply a good top coat to seal in your nail art. And there you have it, colorful and super easy nail art for Holi using acrylic colors. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mashakal Me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Guys, please subscribe and show some love this Holi, not Diwali. And thank you for watching. Happy Holi guys. I hope this Holi brings you a lot of happiness. Till then, take care. Bye.